In this video, I'll show you how to control your computer's fan speed using the terminal in Ubuntu. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your terminal. Press Ctrl, Alt and T together. Step 2. Install the necessary tools by typing this command showing on the screen. Step 3. Detect your hardware sensors. Type this command showing on the screen. Just press Enter for all the questions. At the end, it may ask, do you want to add these lines to Itinerary Dash modules? Type Yes and hit Enter. Step 4. Check your current fan speed. To check your current fan speed, type this command, Sensors. Step 5. Now run the fan configuration setup. Type this command showing on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your fan control. That's it. You've now set up fan control on Ubuntu. Please note that not all laptops or PCs allow fan control through software. So if it doesn't work, your hardware might not support it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Ubuntu tips.